trying to play around with my closet, figure out some outfits that I can potentially film on TikTok tomorrow. I feel like that's one of my larger struggles with me constantly going thrifting, is that I'll buy pieces that I like, but then I'm like, I don't know how to... But because I'm not feeling inspired today, I think I'm just gonna go thrifting, which is probably part of my daily issue. Oh, that's beautiful. Final outfit reveal. Thrifted sweater, thrifted Levi's, and thrifted Nike riffs. Do you see the vibe I'm going for? Sitting in the Goodwill parking lot because the first store that I went to, I bought one of these watch jars and I'll takeout container, but these are the ones that I'm throwing away. So I'm gonna show you some of the good ones. Like, I'll show you my favorites. We have this little guy. I don't know if it's gonna focus. This one is kind of cute. A little Guess one. But if you want a more in-depth video about this, I posted a TikTok. This one has a little butterfly on it. I don't know, I feel like it was definitely a waste of money, but whatever. It was honestly just for fun, so that I could show you guys what those things look like. I'm going home now though because I have Gouda mac and cheese waiting for me and I'm starving. No. I really thought I was gonna do more vlogging today than I did. Like, I took you guys to the thrift store with me, but I was too chicken to actually bring my camera out, so I was just filming on my phone the whole time, which is fine. I still got some footage, but not as intense and like engaging as I would have liked to be. But I figured because I haven't done a lot today, I'm gonna give you guys like a mini apartment tour. I say mini because it is not fully decorated and we've lived here since October. This is the living room. We just got this table off Facebook Marketplace, and then on top of it for decoration I have a bunch of these Architectural Digest magazines, and then also has like an underneath the table, and so I just filled it with these magazines. Over here I have the lipstick mirror. This is my cat's chair. He's obsessed with this thing. He uses it more than he uses his little hammock. I have a lot of lamps. We have this one, this one by our record player, this one also by our record player, Coca-Cola one, which I'm actually getting rid of, that one down there. I think that's all of them in the living room. In our bedroom, it's kind of a mess because I was filming TikTok. We have some lamps above our bed, and then this canvas I got on Facebook from a girl that said that her and her friend just made it one day, and I was like, sick, I love it. And then found that at Goodwill. We need to get bedding so bad. And this dresser I thrifted. Like I said, it's a mess in here because I was just filming TikToks of outfits, but I think I got the lamp online and then found the globe on top at a Goodwill. Most things in my apartment are thrifted or secondhand at least, so it's hard to say where everything's from. Facebook Marketplace for like $10. This is our bathroom. Thrifted this makeup holder. I keep the rest of my makeup in like these things. Then my towels are from A Design, I think. They're really cute, but honestly I wouldn't recommend if you like a towel that actually dries you well. They are not very absorbent. We also have an office, but the office is actually a disaster because Jake works in there and then I work in there also, and I just like throw all my thrift finds in there, or after I'm done taking photos to post some things, I'll just throw them in there. And so it's actually a disaster. It's the biggest reason why I'm on a thrift ban for the rest of the week. I went this morning, I'm not going the rest of the week because I need to get the office taken care of tomorrow.